Nvidia have done it again. Oh, sorry, should have sounded more like Nvidia. They've done it again. They have a bad habit recently of messing up in some very strange ways. This time, they released a brand new graphics card, and it's called the RTX 3050. That's right, Nvidia released a whole new card that's also called the RTX 3050, because that won't get confusing. So you'd think that's simply just a small upgrade to the existing 3050, right? Well, that just shows that your naive optimism hasn't been wiped clean by this uncaring world just yet. Either that or you haven't read the title of this video. Because this brand new card not only has fewer CUDA cores than the RTX 3050, but also slower clock speeds. And it's being advertised as the exact same card. Now right now this brand new model is OEM exclusive, but I don't think I have to tell you why this is a bad idea. Because this way customers buying a pre-built with an RTX 3050 now will be getting less performance than they expect. And people who are trying to buy an RTX 3050 second hand will now have a harder time of deciphering whether or not they're buying the actually good one or the dumbed down one. If they simply step down the amount of VRAM this graphics card has, something like say 6 GB, then we would be able to call it the RTX 3050 6 gigs. But sadly, we can't. It's one of many questionable things that Nvidia have done in the recent months that have been really tarnishing reputation. Are they going to recover it in time for RTX 4000? Well, only time will tell. And if you're on the hunt for an RTX 3050, well, look out. If you're buying a pre-built, make sure you're getting one of the better RTX 3050, and also when buying second-hand from sites like eBay, also make sure you're getting the right one. Or even better, buy one using our Amazon Associates links down in the video description below, because that way you don't pay anything extra while we get some money that gets reinvested straight back in the channel. And if you want to support the channel in another way, just because you're such a generous and huggable person, then make sure to check out our Patreon, because even just $1 single a month truly goes a long way, while you get awesome perks as well. I'd also like to thank my existing patrons Gavin Burns, Ryan FKB, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft Lansby and Jesse Herbman. Thank you guys so much, support truly goes a long way. Down you're also going to find our merch store, our Discord server and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone, goodbye.